Hi guys, it's Charlotte here from charlotteohara.ca, and in today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how and explain why you should create a custom 404 error page for your Squarespace website. So now I know that the title of this video is a little bit of a mouthful, but don't worry, it's not a crazy thing to do, it's not hard to set up, and even if you don't know what a custom 404 error page is, you probably know what I'm talking about. So let's get started. I'll explain exactly what this is so that you can see what I'm talking about, and then I'll show you how to create a customized one. All right, so your website will display a 404 or like error not found message whenever the server is unable to locate a page. And this usually is because there's either a faulty URL or a dead link. So, if someone's clicking a link on your website, let's say, and it doesn't lead anywhere, you'll get the error. Or also if someone tries to type in a URL and it's the wrong one. So let me show you kind of what the default one looks like. Let's just say someone's trying to get to a particular URL on my site. You see here what we have? This is what the default 404 error page is that comes with a Squarespace website. And as you can see, it's not really that helpful. Like, all you're really showing someone is that there is an error and try again, or you can click through to the home page or try searching by clicking here, but again, it's not that helpful. And instead, we might want to set up a custom 404 error page so that you can actually give people who land on this page something useful to work with. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. All right, so first off, I'll show you where this default message is on the back end of your Squarespace website, and then I'll show you how to customize it. Okay, so to get to, this default custom 404 page, when you've logged in on the back end of your Squarespace website, you're going to go to Settings, down to Advanced, and then here where it says 404 error / page not found, that's what you click. And you can see that the default will be the system default, but you'll have the option to choose a bunch of different ones. So now I'm going to show you how to create a new page to show in place. So we're going to go to Pages. Okay, and then under Not Linked, we're going to create a new page. So first off, you can, with the custom 404 pages, it works with a regular page or a cover page, but you cannot use the folder or the index. So again, most people will do the page one. So let's put this here. Let's call it custom 404 error something. Let's just start editing. Okay, so now we've got a new page here and it's time to actually start filling out the content of it. So when it comes to customizing this page, there's a bunch of different things that you want to consider. So maybe let's try writing something in plain language, like, oops, that page doesn't exist, or something like that. Maybe we'll call it, that will be our title. And then we might want to put something in it as a general wording, like the page cannot be found either. I'm just writing whatever. Link no longer exists or it's moved. Here we go. Some things that are really helpful to add on these pages is, first off, I often like to include this search button or search bar. So you can add that in here and you can try adding a little bit of content. Try searching below or whatever, so someone can add the search button. Another thing that I love to add is the contact form. So you might want to do the form here, and you'll add a new form by filling out all of the required fields. So you can do whatever you want on that section. So you've got this, maybe we'll say here, or send us a message by filling below. You can see here. Okay, so these are some ways that we could do it. Another couple interesting things that you might want to do to add is, let's say, like, take a look at our popular blog posts, and then you could do like link 1, link 2, link 3, or something. So, just link to a couple of different blog posts that are a good idea. Another thing, you could do the same with products, or if you're showcasing an event, like looking for tickets to our upcoming event, click here, or whatever you might want to do. Basically, you can customize this page in any way that you'd like. If the rest of the pages on your website have like an image at the top, you might want to add an image. You can do whatever, but basically, the whole point here is to customize your 404 page in a way that works. Okay, so now we've got this page here, and it's time to connect that in place. So we're going to go back to the settings. We're going to go back down to advanced, sorry, there it is, and then 404 error page. And then here, we're going to go to custom 404. And then once that's done, we're just going to click save. Okay, and then now we can see that if we refresh this page, we can see that our new custom 404 page is in place. So it looks really good. And that's it. It's really simple to do. It takes just a couple minutes to set up, and it not only provides a much better user experience for people who are ending up on this page on your website, it also can point them away so that they don't navigate away from the page and you don't lose them. So thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, you can give it a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button down below to make sure that you don't miss any other videos on my channel. And you can even leave a comment if you feel like it, and let me know that you watched it. I also, on my website, I have a free email course called Launch Your Best Site. And this free email course is all about how to build and launch a Squarespace website. So you can access it either here on my website, or I've also linked to it in the video description down below. You can also take a look at the other videos on my channel, or you can head over to the blog on my website to read lots more content all about Squarespace, SEO, web design and development, online business, and lots of other tech tips. So I've got lots of video tutorials on my YouTube channel and articles on my blog to keep you covered. And thanks again for watching, and I really hope you have a good time playing around with this new and improved custom error page on your Squarespace website. Let me know how it goes, and thanks again for watching. Bye now.